everyone, it's Michelle from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm just popping in to show you the exclusive limited edition Sizzix Big Shot. This is only going to be available January 14th through the 17th on the Sizzix.com website, so you want to check it out. I'm super excited to be working with them to show you this limited edition design. It's mint and silver and it's sure to fit any craft room. As you can see, the Sizzix Big Shot is a limited design in mint and silver. So excited to be sharing this with you. So let's check it out. We can fast forward this part. I'm gonna just take it out like this. I can't get the mother out. As you can see, it's a very pretty mint color and very easy to assemble. Comes with a little wrench and a screw for the handle. Just remove this little tab. And the screw in the washer. And the handle. Is that right? And then you just screw that in. Tighten it up, and then you put this little stopper on the end. There you have it. It's literally all you need to do. And oh, look at that. It comes with your base plate, a thin die adapter, and sparkly glitter cutting pads. How pretty is that? There you have it. While you're shopping, be sure to check out the die brush and stamping accessory kit. I use this all the time. It's one of my favorite items, and you'll definitely want it in your craft room. So that's it. That's the design. It's got the real pretty geometric design there in silver on the teal, or mint, I'm sorry, mint color. And it's only exclusively available at Sizzix.com from the 14th to the 17th. So be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.